Welcome everyone. Welcome to the 11 plus maths challenge. In this you have 25 questions and the answers will be given you in the end. Don't forget to write in the comment box how much did you get in all of these 26 questions. Try having a piece of paper with you and let's get started now. Okay, guys, we are done now. Let's go with the answers. It's done now. I know it's done. Let's go with the answers now. Let's off the timer now. We are done. So let's go back. Please don't forget to write and tell us how much all of you got. So let's do the first one now. All of you must have done it and you would have your answers with you. So you should be the first one. The answer for number one was an easy one. It was an E, because it says that they are basically asking you what of these numbers could be y. So they're asking you what of these numbers could be by. You must, if you see that both less than 50 and is even 36, the only number that is both less than 50 and even. So the answer for number one is E. Number two, which of these numbers is variable? That's an easy one. You will get the answer as D. I hope all of you got this one. For number three, they're asking you, this bar chart shows the number of cameras sold by a shop during the first 6 weeks of this year. How many cameras were sold total in the first 3 weeks? So how many cameras were sold in 3 weeks? So the answer for number three, I hope all of you got, was 60. So you just need to calculate how much is each week and just do it. So first week we know is 20. If you look at this, first week is 20, second week is 25, and the third week is only 15. So if I add all of them up, 20 plus 25 plus 15, that gives me to 60. So my answer is 60 for number 3. 20 plus 25 plus 15, that gives me 60. So number 4, they're asking me which of these numbers is not a square number. So you need to look which one of them are not square numbers. Obviously, if I look at them, C is not a square number of any one. So let's move on to number 5. Keep checking your answers and remember to write down your answers, how much you got out of 26, in the comment box. So it will let me know. It'll tell me how many of you got full marks in this. So we did that. Number 1 was E. Number 2 was D. Number 3 was 60. Number 4 was C. And number 5, they're asking you, there are 537 pencils in a box school uses, 249 of them. How many are left? That's an easy one. So the answer for number 5 is, you just need to minus it. 537 minus 2. The answer for number 5 is 288. I hope you all got that. That's your answer for number 5. So let's move on to the next one. Keep marking your answers and don't forget to write in the comment box how much you guys got out of 26. So let's move on to number 6. In number 6, that's an easy one. They asked you is which of these both 8 and 3 as factors. So which of these were as factors? That's an easy one is E. In number 7, they asked you Jordan had 823 trading cards which he puts in an album. Each page holds 30 cards when full. He fills all the pages with the album with cards except the last one. How many cards did he put in the last page? For this one, your answer would be 13. Because if you look at, he had 823, 283 cards, trading cards, he put an album, he put holds, and one card holds 30 cards full. So you need to calculate how many albums do he need, how many cards does he put in last page. So you need to calculate how much he put in the last one. You just need to minus 283 minus 270, that gives you 13. So let's do number 8 now. So I hope you all got this one. Eight. So we did this. Number 6 was E. Which are the factors 8 of 3? It's obviously is 24. We know that. 7, we know we got 13. So we are moving on to the next one now. Number 8. In number 8, they are just asking you of the reflections. So you need to tell me what the reflections are. Sorry, this was E. This was 13. And in number 8, I'll just do that little big. So number 8, they're asking you, they are saying what are the coordinates of point B on the hexagon below. It's 8 or 10, 7 or 10, 7 and 4, 10 and 12, 10 of 7. So obviously it's E. You just need to see E is here and which one of them are there. If you look at that, it'll be 10. And if you look at this one here, it'll be 7. So it's A, 10, 7. So let's move on. To number 9. Number 9, they just asked you which one of the following words has a horizontal line of symmetry. So which one has a line of symmetry? If you try doing it, it'll be COD. Code is number A for this one. Number 10 now. Number 10 is an easy one. They are just asking you, Naseem bought 6 footballs. Each football cost £2.99. How much did he spend in total? You just need to round about 2.99. That's 3. By adding 1p, you multiply it by 6. So it's 3 multiplied by 6. That gives me 18. That's not enough. And after that, you need to subtract the 6 extra pennies you added. So it's 18 minus minus 6p. And that gives you your answer for 1794. So with this, you come to know your answer for number 10 is B. So let's go to the next one, number 11 now. Number 11, they are just asking you, Patrick pencil is 8 inches long. What is the length of Patrick's pencil in the centimeters? So you need to find in centimeters, and they've given you 1 inch equals to 2.5 centimeters. You just need to multiply it by 8. The length of Beatrix pencil in centimeters. And remember, you need to calculate the length in centimeters. You know that 1 inch equals to 2.5. So you multiply by 8 by 2.5. You convert the centimeters, 2.5 into 2 and 0.5. Then you multiply it, each number by 8. If you multiply each number by 8, if I do that, so 8 multiplied by 2, that will give is 16. That's not enough. And 8 multiplied by 0.5, that gives me 4. I just need to add 16 plus 4, that's 20. And that gives me my answer as A. So the next one is a 220 ml drink is poured from a jug containing 2.5 liters of lemonade. How much lemonade will be left in the jug? So you need to calculate how much lemonade is left in the jug. So you have to change the options to the sum in units. The best unit is in millimeters. To convert liters to millimeters, you just multiply by 1000. You need to remember that. So 2.5 is given to you. Just multiply 2.5. You just need to multiply 2.5 into 1000 and you get is 2500. You get 2500 and then you need to minus from 220 and then you will get your answer to 2280. That's number C. So always remember, when they're asking you when you change from to convert liters into millimeters, you always multiply by 1000. That's something you have to remember when you do it. So let's look the next one, number 13 first. Then we look at the options were up. So we know that 11 was A, 12 was C. So number 13, they are saying a supermarket regularly checks the temperature of its storeroom. At 10 a.m., the temperature was -6 centigrades. By 10 p.m., it had fallen by 9 degrees. Storeroom at 10. So you need to calculate what it is. That's an easy one. You just need to count from 9 down from 6 degrees. You get to -15 degrees. That's your answer for this one. So let's do what the answer is for number 14. Number 14, they're just asking you, shape A is a square, shape B is an equilateral triangle. What's the size of C? You know that the right angle is always 90 degrees. The angle is a right angle which add up to 180. And then you just need to subtract 180 minus 3. Because you're saying shape is a square, B is an equilateral. So you know the right angle is 90 degrees. The angle has a triangle which add up. If you add these up, they add up to 180. And the equilateral triangle, all the sides are equal. So all the sides are equal, you know that. So we just know that it's 180 and all the sides are equal. How many sides they have are equal? You know that they are 3. So you just divide it by 3. So 180 divided by 3, that gives you to your answer 60. But that's not enough. And after that, angles on a straight line add up to 180. You know that straight line. And when they add up to a straight line, that's 180. So you just need to 180 180 minus 90, because you know that it's 90 degrees, minus 90 minus 60. So you just need to do 180 minus 90 minus 60. That gives you to your answer to 30 degrees. So you must have got 30 degrees for 14. And the 15 one is, what are they asking you in number 15? They're asking you, at a hotel, a single room cost 97 pounds 50 pence and a double room cost 180 pounds. How much of the money will Sharna and Rahul save if they share a double room instead of booking two singles? And you were giving a lot of options. So first, if a double room cost 180, that's given to us, a double room is cost 180, then each will pay, how much will each pay? So let's calculate how much each will pay. So we are calculating the price of a double room first. If we divide it by 2, each will pay 90 pounds. And each single room cost and single room price is given to us is 97.50. So 97.50. Again, we will divide it by 2. And a double, they are saying a hotel, a single room costs 97.50. That's the price of a single room. So they each will pay 97.50 for a single room, and that one is 90 pounds is what they have to pay. Just minus 90 from this. That's the price of the double room and a single room. And when you minus that, you will get £7.50. So £7.50 they will pay for a single room. Sorry, that's the difference. This is more they will pay in a single room. So the total they have to save by staying in a double room. So I think so double room would be better, because if you multiply that by 2, you will get 15 pounds. So instead of, if they share a double room, instead of booking two single rooms, which one is cheaper? First, we calculated the price of a double room. Then we calculate if they take a single room, what's the difference? We took the difference, and then we came to know that obviously a double room is better for them. So the option is 15 for this one. So let's move on to this one, number 16. In number 16, they were just asking you, a book has 105 pages. Peter has read 2/5 of the books. How much pages is left? You just needed to calculate this 105 divided by 5. That gives me 21. We will just divide it by 5 first. Then we'll multiply it by 2. So another way of doing this one is, you just divide this by 5, you will get your answer to 21. And when you get 21, just try to multiply 21 by 2. That gives you your answer as 42. So your answer for this one is the first one. Number 17 is an easy one. Again, that's a conversion. What is the mass of this parcel? You have to estimate in this one. So the answer for this one is E. So let me zoom in for you guys. So let's do number 18 now. Number 18, you just need to multiply. This one is a long multiplication. Which of the following are correct? And your answer would be C. So let's do number 20 now. Number 20 is We need to see number 19 will be down. Let me just see where number 19 is first. Oh, number 19 is up. Okay, let's do number 19 now. Don't forget to write how much marks you guys got in the comment below. Number 19 is a dance club needed a new shoes. They ordered the following sizes 3, 4, 6, 7, 5, 4, 6, 3, 2. What's the mode of the common mode? Mode is the most common one. This is easy for number 19. The answer for number 19, if you put in that way, would be 6. 6 is most common. If you look at this, I can again see 6 is the one which has been used more times. Number 20, at the cinema, Ravi plays £5.75 for his tickets at £1.20 for a total and £2.30 for popcorn. How much change does he receive for £10? You need to calculate how much he received for £10. To find the cost, you need to add. We just need to add all these up. When we add all these up, and afterwards, when you add all of them up, and then when you add all these up, you get 9.25, and you need to minus it from, because he has £10, you need to minus it from £10 to see how much change is left. So he has 75p left. That's the change he has left. Let's move on to 21 now. #21 is they are just asking you. Jay chooses a 3D shape. It has an equal number of faces and verticals. What shape does he choose? So you need to calculate, see what shape this one is. 3D shape, you need to think what a 3D shape is in this one. So obviously the answer would be D, square base pentagon. If you look at D, it looks like a 3D shape. So let's go on our last page now. For 22, they just asked you, 70 children in year 6 were asked how many travel to school. The result shows in the table. So they're asking you how many boys travel by car. If you look at the car of the boys is missing. To find the answer, you just need to subtract the total of the figures that are in the table. So we will add 23 plus 17. We'll just add all of them up. And when you add all of them up, I'll do it here for you. You're just adding all of them up. 23 plus 17 plus 9 plus 3 plus 4, that gives you 56. And you know the children what are there are 70. So you just need to subtract 70 by 56 to get your answer for the cars the boys travel. That's 14. So your answer for the car is 14. So let's move on to the next one. Number 23. Number 23 is Ruby counted the number of ladybirds in a garden over a week. He made a pattern of the results Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday. One ladybird is 4. You know that, and they're asking you They're asking you how many more ladybirds did Ruby see on a Wednesday and Thursday than on Saturday to Sunday. So in this one, you just need to calculate one symbol equals to, so one symbol equals to 4 ladybirds, and you just need to see that on Wednesday, इशू बंद कर दे दरवाजा, मैंने पॉज किया 1 मिनट. So in this, you know what the ladybirds are. You just need to calculate that. That's an easy one. That's 13. You know that 15. If you calculate that, you will get that on a Thursday he counted 18, and on a Wednesday he counted 15, and on a Thursday he counted 18. So 18 plus 15 plus 18 is 33, and you just need to minus 33. And on a Saturday, she counted 12, and on a Sunday, she counted 8. So 12 plus 8 is 20. So if you do Saturday and Sunday, is total is 20. And on a Wednesday and Thursday, if you calculate, you will get how many ladybirds? 33. So you just need to minus 33 minus 20. That gives you your answer to 13. So let's move on to the next one now. Number 24. In number 24, you just need to say what they are saying. A garden center sells daffodil bulbs in a packet of 6 and 9. The packet of 6 costs 72p and the cost of 9 cost 99p. George wanted to buy 24 bulbs. What's the lowest amount he could buy? So you know that 24 bulbs can be bought in 2 ways. 4 pack of 6. 4 pack of 6. You know that it could be bought. 4 pack of 6 is how much? 4 pack of 6 is 4 into 72. That gives me £2.88. That's the first one option we have. And second option we have 2 pack of 9. 2 pack of 9. That gives me an option 2 multiplied by 99p. That gives me £1.98. And another option I have, and plus 1 pack of 6. If you take 1 pack of 6, that is 1 into 72p. That gives me £1.98. You just need to minus it from 70. You just need to add 72 in it. Sorry, not subtract, add 72 in it. That will give me is 1 plus 72. That will give me £2.70. So these are all of our options we can do. The second option is cheaper. If you look at which option is cheaper, so obviously the second is cheaper. £2.70 is cheaper. So your answer for 24, if you look at, this is my first option and this was my second option. Look at both the options. You will normally go with the second option. So it will be £2.70. That option is better. Paul has a number sequence which follow the rules double the previous number and then add. 47 is his number sequence. What of these numbers is also in a sequence? So you need to see which of them are in a sequence. And this is an easy one. I'll just give you the answer. It's B for this one. So let's go with the last one now. Number 26 is your last one. In this, you're just asking you Tekisuke received 12 pounds pocket money each month during the last 3 years. How much money did she receive altogether? So they're just asking you how much money she receives altogether. There are 12 months in a year, you know that. So 12 is to 3 is 36. So you need to calculate for 36 months. So you need to just multiply the amount of 35 by 12. If you do that, you will get your answer to 432. That's the end of your maths challenge. Don't forget to tell us how much you guys got, because we have given you the answers of all 26 questions today. I'll be waiting to see your results, how much you got from 26. And remember to subscribe to our channel, because we'll be uploading a lot of maths challenges for you guys or verbal challenges for you all, just to see how you do in your time management. Thanks for watching today, and good luck for the other maths challenge we'll be doing every week.